Hello students, in the previous class in L'Hospital rule we had learnt about the evaluation of limits of the form infinity, 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity form. That was your type 3, and today we are learning the type 4, that is evaluation of limits of the form 0 to the power of 0, infinity to the power of 0 and 1 to the power of infinity. In type 4 you have 3 indeterminate forms, and from that even here you will be having two functions f of x and g of x. The difference is that here f of x will be raised by the function g of x, f of x will be raised by the function as power g of x. So here the three here, this in such a function, in such a type you will get the indeterminate forms of 3 types. That is case 1, you will be having 0 to the power of 0. When do you get the 0 to the power of 0 form? When you apply limit for this function f of x and you are getting answer as 0. Again, when you have function g of x, when you apply limit for this function g of x and if you are getting the answer as 0, we say that the function is of the form 0 to the power of 0. Then suppose when you apply the limit for the function f of x, that is limit x tends to a, limit as x tends to a to the function f of x, and if you get the answer of infinity, and in the same limit is applied for the function g of x and you are getting the answer as 0, then you will get the infinity to the power of 0 case. Then coming to the case 3, here in case 3 you observe you have limit x tends to f of x is equals to 1 and limit x tends to a g of x is equals to infinity. Since the function, this is the function f of x is 1 here after applying limit, and this function tends to infinity, so I'll get the in 1 to the power of infinity case. So observing all the above 3 cases, then we can solve. Then we have a method in type 4. First what you have to do is you have to equate the given function f of x whole to the power of g of x to phi of x. Then again, after equating this function to phi of x, we are taking logarithmic on both RHS and LHS. So both and LHS and RHS, when you take the logarithms, then since this equation becomes log phi of x equals g of x log phi of x. Here as you are applying log for this function, the power gets shifted, so becomes g of x into log f of x. After applying the limits here, logarithm, now you have to apply the limit for this equation. For the equation log phi of x is equals to g of x into log f of x, you have to apply the limit. How do you apply the, after applying the limit, this equation becomes limit x tends to a log phi of x equals limit x tends to a g of x into log f of x. Suppose if you assume that the limit which is on the RHS side, all the RHS side, if we assume that it tends to L, then this equation becomes limit x tends to a log phi of x equals limit x tends to a phi of x equals L. So as we are saying that this RHS tends to L after applying the limit, what does these two equations means? These two terms, see here, observe here, as limit and logarithms are interchangeable, so limit x tends to a log phi of x can be written as log limit x tends to a phi of x, which will be equal to L. So here observe this equation, log limit x tends to a phi of x equals L you have. So after shifting the log to the from LHS to RHS, the logarithm becomes exponential. So limit x tends to a phi of x remains as it is. When you shift this log to this side RHS, it becomes log becomes exponential e to the power of L. So limit x tends to a, what we have taken phi of x as f of x whole to the power of g of x. So limit x tends to a f of x whole to the power of g of x equals